Captain Matt here with another quick video about vacuuming the office. So right now I'm just in the hallway here. You can walk to the closet that has supplies in it. Right, and here, whoa, here's the vacuum. Go ahead and just wheel that out. Right, the vacuum has the cord on it. If you turn this down, the whole cord will come off, like so. And then you take the plug and you just plug it in. All right, there's plugs all around the office. Just pick one. This one, there's no actual button. You just use your foot, hold it down, and then the vacuum bends so you can use it. And then the power button is right on top. There's off, hard floor, and carpet. And you do just every room down here in the downstairs. You just vacuum every single rug, and that is how you vacuum the office.